Welcome friends in lecture 4th Science Standard 9th Lesson 5, that is the fundamental unit of life. Today we are going to start with cell organelles. In cell organelles we will take the first topic as endoplasmic reticulum. Now endoplasmic reticulum is one of the largest cell organelles present in the cell organelles I am talking about. Now endoplasmic reticulum has got a very large network of membrane, bound tubules and sheets. It looks like a long tube or round or oblong bags vesicles. That means if you see you are able to see at the center of the nucleus, the center it is nucleus approximately, and below the nucleus the oblong structures you are able to see, they are tube like structures. They are sac means in Hindi we say thela. It's a sac like structure and it's a large network of membrane, and it is of great importance. These sheets are, you are able to see a long tubular sheets present and a round ball like structures also. They are oblong back vesicles. There are two types of basically endoplasmic reticulum. One is called as an rough endoplasmic reticulum, called pronounced in R in short, and second one is an smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In abbreviation we write down as SER. Now we will start with rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now rough endoplasmic reticulum, you are able to see a dots on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these dots are nothing but ribosomes. These ribosomes come from the nucleus and stick on the endoplasmic reticulum, make it rough endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes present are all active sites of proteins. That means they are responsible for manufacturing of proteins. So they are the areas of active sites where the proteins are manufactured. Now these manufactured proteins are sent to ER. ER means endoplasmic reticulum sites, other sites of it, and these proteins are furthermore utilized. The SER does not have, that means it is absence of ribosome. That's why it look like a polystructure. So we say it's a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it is responsible for manufacturing of fat molecules, lipids, and organizing other cell functions. So lipids are manufactured, fats are manufactured and used for other functions. Next is proteins and lipids help in building cell membrane and also functions as enzymes and hormones. So we were talking about proteins. What are the importance for proteins? Proteins are everything, I would say. They are enzymes, they are hormones, they are useful in cell, they are useful in many different purposes. Without enzymes, our all metabolic activities are not possible. So proteins are very helpful, and they are basically enzymes and hormones, so manufactured by ribosomes. So obviously the importance of endoplasmic reticulum increases. Liver cells smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Many poisons and drugs, when we say, we have many a times heard about that the liver failure. Why? Because liver is the first primary organ which is getting affected. Whatever the medicines also you are eating in a very large amount, or eating and rough material, which is not helpful, yeah, good for your digestion, containing bad materials inside. Yeah, outside you have food you have eaten up which is containing a poisonous thing. So what you are having a pain in inside your stomach only, and this stomach pain is nothing but liver pain. Actually it is not paining in stomach, it is paining in liver side. So these liver cells are getting affected, so they are detoxifying many poisons and drugs. That's why the problems are arising in liver itself only. And what is playing an important role inside the liver cells also is endoplasmic reticulum, right? So it is having a good amount of importance. As we have studied this much for endoplasmic reticulum and showing its good amount of importance, the next we are going to take is Golgi apparatus. Exactly like endoplasmic reticulum, these Golgi apparatus are also having the, first of all, it has been found by Camillo Golgi, the name itself from Golgi apparatus was given by its profounder, that is Golgi, Camillo Golgi. Consisting of this particular Golgi apparatus is consisting of system of membrane, again like the same endoplasmic reticulum, bounded vesicles, flattened sac, an arrangement of approximately parallel to each other, and this particular sac structure which we are able to see in Golgi apparatus are called as an cisterns. These cisterns are, you can say Golgi apparatus as a small version of endoplasmic reticulum. Freely floating endoplasmic reticulum is stuck on with nucleus, as I told you, but these Golgi apparatus are freely moving inside the cell. These structures, sac-like structure which are formed, are called as an cisterns. Now these membranes often have connections with membranes of ear, obviously because they are in part of Golgi apparatus have come out from endoplasmic reticulum only. These are many times getting attached with endoplasmic reticulum only. Its main function, nucleus includes, that means the functions of Golgi apparatus includes basically 3-4 things. One is storage, modification and packing of products in vesicles, synthesize in ER. So what is supplied from endoplasmic reticulum, manufacturing of fats, proteins, lipids, everything is being stored. Where it is stored in? So it is stored in Golgi apparatus. Then it is processed, that means modified in the form of enzymes, hormones, where it is supposed to be targeted and sent through. So these products are being packed, and these products in vesicles. Vesicle means a round ball like structure, that is called as an vesicles. So whatever is synthesized in ER is being sent to Golgi apparatus for these purposes. Various targets outside the Golgi apparatus, jahan wherever needed, exactly needed, it is being sent, processed, manufactured in the same way, given task to endoplasmic reticulum, okay, these are the requirements for us, you manufacture such things and pass it to Golgi apparatus. Now complex sugars are made from simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. That means from simple sugar solution, as I told you, first and foremostly also, glucose are called as simple sugars, then turns to sugar, then turns to amylopectin and amylose, then turns to starch, and then from starch to cellulose and furthermore. So these are called as complex sugars. So these complex sugars are made from simple sugars in Golgi apparatus, and Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. It is very important, this particular thing. Lysosomes will further study in this particular chapter in only, but these Golgi apparatus are the responsible ones for manufacturing of such kind of enzyme product known as an lysosomes. It's an apparatus in this particular chapter, right? Sorry, that means this particular cell is having this particular organelles present inside it, so it is of great importance. Fine, we have learned of Golgi apparatus for present and endoplasmic reticulum in this particular lecture. So thank you.